I'm Anita. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a short and sweet tutorial again with beads for my stash. Feel free to gather some of your materials and make a pair with me. Today I'm going to be using two head pins with a ball tip on them, 2 ear hooks, a few 11/0 seed beads, and I've got 2 marbleized Jasper beads. These are about 8mm in size with 2 bead caps. And then I have some goldstone here, chips, 2 of those, a couple of more bead caps for 6mm, and these are like a malachite teal color stone. So we're going to be putting this all together for a beautiful pair of earrings. So gather your materials and let's get started. Alright, to start I'm taking my ball tip head pin and I'm going to just pick up my smaller round bead here. Now I'm going to put a bead cap on top. Now I'm going to pick up an 11/0, my goldstone chip bead, another 11/0, my marbleized Jasper bead. Now I'm picking up my other bead cap and an 11/0 to finish it off. Now I'm going to clip my wire a little more than 1/4 of an inch. I want to make sure all my beads are flush. Let's pick up my 11/0 that just jumped off. Now I'm going to bend my wire take my round nose pliers, make sure it's flush, bend it and twist. And try to get that closed so there's no gap. So there's that one complete. Take my other one, put the smallest bead up first. Now my bead cap, an 11/0, my goldstone chip, an 11/0, and now my larger bead, my bead cap, and an 11/0. Make sure everything's flushed. Take my flat nose, bend my wire, now clip my wire a little longer than 1/4 of an inch. Take my round nose, make sure it's flushed, twist it, turn it, rotate it again, try to get that loop closed. Like that. So I'm going to take my ear hook now and open the end using my flat nose pliers. So twist that towards you, place your earring on, and then close it. Repeat that for the other one. Take your earring hook, open that by twisting it towards you, place your earring on, and close it. There we have a beautiful pair in gold tone with marbleized Jasper beads, gold stone in the middle with gold seed bead accents. Just beautiful. That took less than 15 minutes to make. So don't be afraid. Take the beads from your stash and explore all the different color combinations you can do and different designs and styles. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you do that and give me a thumbs up for today's video. Please share the link with your family and friends. Also, I have a website where I sell my own jewelry. You'll see anything that you've seen in these tutorials posted on my website for sale. Also, please share the link with your friends, and I'll also include the link to suppliers that I use for my bead stashes. So I hope you've had fun today with this short, quick tutorial. Have a wonderful week and happy beading!